And Ms. Dyani, what do you think should happen?
Hands in your lap.
Hands in your lap. Guys, this is Dyani's brother. He's been overseas serving in the military, and he came home and she had no idea.
Today we are at my daughter's school, Kocurek Elementary. My son just came home from overseas. He was deployed overseas. The school and the principal, Michelle, organized an assembly for us to surprise my youngest daughter today.
I just got back from a deployment out in Australia, so first time seeing my family in a year and a half. Stationed out in Hawaii with the Marine Corps at the moment. Took 2 weeks of leave to come out to see my family, and the school and my mom set this up so I could surprise my little sister here at school.
They were really excited to do it, to help me out with it, so I'm really, really blessed that my daughter goes to school here at Kocurek.
I love J.R.